Got the C36 Verdin. Just got to do a clutch in it. It's pretty standard. M50, bushings, suspension. It's a good drift car. Looks a little beat. It's a good drift car. I did used to own it, and it was a very good drift car. I did lots of things with this drift car. It was a good drift car. Maybe a little rude.
Always got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got
Just got some of the bell housing out. I had to offset the motor back when me and Andrew made the engine mounts. So we gotta drop the trans down a bit to even get the top ones. Jeff's just then doing the drive shaft, and then we can pull trans down and get the top ones. Out she comes.
Nice. It made me damage my car. Grange, hardest thing in the world. Why am I here? I don't know. I'm here because I'm into drifting, as you can see. Look at that.
No. E36 starters. They're in a great location.
I've been here before. I've been down this road.
Oh, hey. Left hand?
Yeah. Wow. That was either an extension or the bolt. Probably 1,000.
Yeah?
Well, you got that kind of leverage, you know. I mean, oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
That was probably 10,000. Probably 10,000 foot. You know, this kind of a snipe. You know, right here. This sort of a pipe snipe.
Yeah, that's 1,000 foot-pounds right there for sure.
Probably talking about small wheels or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually we were.
You talking about small wheels now?
Yeah, because I have a Tercel that needs small wheels. What?
Talking all this shit and then now you're getting them.
I don't hate them. When you start work at Platform, you have to sign a waiver that says you will defend big wheels in their honor. So.
The honor of big wheels.
Yeah.
It's a damn shame.
17's enough.
Fuck, that's junk. What about 16?
16s can fuck off. No one cares about 16s.
Like the middle child that no one likes.
Yeah, they're just kind of there.
Yeah.
They're a bit different. And
Yeah.
They sit at a different table than you.
Parents never remember the birthday and stuff. Sad, actually.
Yeah. I would pay you $1,000, sure, but not anymore.
It's nice and sunny out today. It's nice out. We're working on this Integra for this customer. This is a pretty neat car. It's kind of like a time capsule. It was built a while ago, and it survived the drought or the recession of these. I think there was a time when cars that were done up like this, maybe without the engine supporting mods, but the Aero specifically, and they just kind of got thrown away. So yeah, this thing's a survivor, but it's been sitting a long time, so it's getting a fresh battery and then some fresh fluids, and then we're gonna fire it up. It's probably gonna get retuned. Yeah, and then it should be ready for the road again.
Yeah, I'll try door. I'll try door.
Okay.
Sure.
Ready?
Yeah.
We must pay homage to him.
Transitin, easy stuff now. Just shifter linkages, drive shaft, exhaust, drive it, take it for a boot. So yeah, that's that. I don't know how much got filmed on it. I'm sorry you can't see it driving. We're gonna pull the Tesla in after this, do a nice lip kit on it. Joel fired up the Integra today, so now it's just service it, do some new belts. It'll be good to go. It's trucks. It's a truck. It's annoying. Trucks are annoying. What Jeff said. Like, subscribe, yell if you're upset with that content. That's really loud when it's beside your ear. I don't know what else to say. See you guys.
Alright, so here we have something called a small wheel. It's something you'd run if you're not compensating for anything. At Platform Garage, you know, it's big wheel guys, you know. The Energy is very big wheel, you know how it gets. But yeah, if you really don't have anything to compensate for, really don't have anything to hide, small wheels what you want to get. 15s and under. It's just the best, you know. Really shows confidence. And yeah, all the stuff about speed, you can't go fast with small wheels. So that attitude.